So this is one of the. I don't know what's the name of this car, but anything it is very unique. This is the first time I'm seeing car like this. You can see from far the accommodation is very big. Yeah, it's very big. So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Florina. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are not new. You know the vibes. On today's video you can see I am at the airport. We are taking a plane now. I'm going to Malaysia. So I'm very happy because this is whenever I'm in China, I'm going to an English country. Just feel very happy and the experience is much here. So here we are, you can see how Chinese people, we are having a long queue because we're going to have a transit in the Xiamen city. So this is the bus where we just stop by to our flight. So now you can see people are checking in. So it is what it is. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. I will catch you guys on the plane, and I will catch you guys in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So you guys should stay tuned. This is me looking very tired because this journey is like 5 hours to reach Kuala Lumpur from Xiamen. So this is me in the Xiamen air. So it's only a few minutes left for us to arrive at Kuala Lumpur. So I'm just very tired, but I very enjoy the food in the plane, and it is very good there. So you can see many Malaysians on the plane. So here we have arrived in Malaysia because of the process of immigration and all the stress. I was not able to film a video. So now I've already called an Uber because I already ordered a ride online. So he has arrived here. Now we are taking off. We are back. So I have a lot of gist. Malaysian immigration. Now we are in Malaysia. I'm inside Kuala Lumpur. Malaysian immigration, they really stressed me today. And immediately I come from the airport, it started raining. So now I just came to my hotel. I booked 30th, but this year I can only check in by 3 p.m. afternoon. So now I don't have choice. I just have to find a normal hotel so I can sleep. Then in the morning I will find a different. I will take a taxi to my hotel for me to come and stay there. So now I'm here to find something to eat, but after I came, many of the places are closed because now it's almost at 2 a.m. in the night. So we came to eat with one of my friends. But actually Kuala Lumpur is very beautiful, and Malaysia is very cool as well. Really, it's really cool. And Malaysians, before I was thinking Chinese people drive many cars, beautiful cars, expensive cars, but now I see Malaysian people are really trying. They are really trying. Their cars are unique, and the vibes is good. You can see this is a sport car, and here is I don't know what's the name of this car, but anything it is very unique. This is the first time I'm seeing car like this. So guys, I'm gonna go to McDonald's to find something to eat, and tomorrow morning I'll continue the video. I will give you guys gist on how Malaysian immigration really stressed me out, and I'll give you guys how we solve everything. But here we are, everything is working now. So you can see this is McDonald's. So I will just come and eat for there. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Florina. This is morning here in Kuala Lumpur. I'm here in my hotel. So yesterday I arrived in Malaysia. When I arrived in Malaysia, I went to the immigration section because when I applied Malaysian visa, it was very easy for me because I applied to China. So I was coming from China, so the application was very smooth. There are many things I was not need to submit, like a bank statement and everything. Yeah, so it was very easier for me, and because I have a travel history. Yeah. So the immigration yesterday, he was asking me why I come Malaysia. Of course, I come here for tourists, but he asking me that do I know anyone? So I just tell him, yeah, of course I know people here. So he was trying to tell me what are they doing. I said they are working here. So he told me I should provide the working visa. I told him no, wait, let's see. I came Malaysia for my own purpose. Of course, if I have friends who can see her. So he asked me about my accommodation. So I've already booked my accommodation online for the days I'm going to stay, and I print it out. I have my flight ticket coming and going back, and everything I have it there. But you know how things they just tend to ask you some questions. I don't know, but is it because we Africans or Nigerians? Yeah, but he asked me different questions, and he told me that I have to provide evidence. Of course, I have evidence. I have my resident permit and everything about China. Yeah. So after he decided to stamp my passport, so I passed the immigration site, and I went to the what do we say? I went to the check-in where I can pick up my bag. I take my bag, and when I was proceeding to the exit, I was asked to open my bags. They check everything, blah 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 blah. Later they tell me to go. Yeah, but I was really stressed by the immigration. I was asked some silly question, but yeah, it's normal. Yeah, when you're African, especially Nigerians, there's a lot of things you're facing when you are passing immigration. So here is my hotel. I'm gonna give you guys a good tour of my hotel here. So this hotel cost $100. You can see it. This is my bedroom, and here is a place where I can sit in case if I don't want to lie down or rest, and I have a chair in case when you have a visitor or anything else. Of course, yeah, this room is for 2 people, but I'm staying here alone, and there is a light, full light in case you wanna study or you wanna do something, check documents. And here's a mini drawer. You can see it's empty. There's a television in case I wanna watch Netflix and everything. Yeah, of course, the hotel has Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's 100% good. And here is just I don't know what this, but it's just for fashion. And here too is a drawer, and here is my AC air condition. Yeah, this is my air condition, and here is a mirror in case if I wanna check myself or anything else. And here I have a drawers here, and you can see from far the accommodation is very 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 big. Yeah, it's very big. So even if I don't on AC, the ventilation is very good, and from here you can see Malaysian tower, and the view is excellent. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, and the hotel comes with different things like swimming pool, and the view is very excellent. Let me show you guys the toilet. So when you come in from the door, there is this place where you can cook in case, and this is where you can wash plate. This place you can see kitchen stuff, and there is a dustbin here, and of course here too is a place where you can keep things. Yeah, of course. So here is a jacuzzi. This is jacuzzi if I wanna take shower. So I can relax here, calm myself down, you know, the stress of traveling. And here's my mirror. Here's a place where I can take shower. And of course here I don't need to say, you know what it is. Yeah. So let me know in the comments section if you think this accommodation is very good and it's worth it. Yeah, the accommodation is $100 per night. Yeah, it's $100 per night. So for me, it's worth it. Yeah, I thought it, yeah, because it's very close to the Twin Tower, and this is, you can go everywhere convenient, and the pool view is excellent there. So now I'm gonna take you guys to see to the full view. Let's see how it looks like here. Yeah, actually the place is very beautiful. You from Bangladesh?
No, Nepal.
Nepal. Wow, Nepal is a beautiful country. Yeah,
Yeah, Nepal.
and the people are very friendly, very nice people. Yeah. So guys, now we are at the poolside. I'm gonna show you guys a view of the poolside. I think this is one of the reasons why this hotel is very expensive, because this place is very beautiful. Yeah, it's very amazing. You can see from here. This is a platinum. This is a building, and there's a place where you can sit, maybe a restaurant. And here is a swimming pool. Yeah. So right now we can't swim because it's raining. And here is the view we are getting here. Extremely view. And yeah, it's a pool too. It has two angles. This side too is a pool. You can see people taking picture. This is the direct view to the Twin Tower of Malaysia. So this is one of the reasons why I choose to stay in this hotel, because very little hotel you can get this kind of view. So I really enjoy it. It's very beautiful. It's very good. I hope you guys enjoy the view too. Yeah. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget, share and comment. Let me know. Like, share and comment. Let me know you guys suggestion. Yeah. So next video, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of Malaysia, and I'm gonna give you guys a video of lifestyle, how we chill in Malaysia, and all of it. Yeah, I love you guys. Peace out.